Hello friends, this is a project of fingerprint based door lock system. By using this project, you can access or control your door lock by using your fingerprint. Now here I have used a fingerprint module which is GT511C3, a LCD display JSD 16:2, Arduino board and a breadboard for connection. Now here I have already enrolled my thumbnail ID in the fingerprint memory, and when my fingerprint ID is detected by the sensor, it shows on LCD display, and at the same time the output LED goes high. So let's see the working of the project.
Now here you can see on LCD display it shows please press finger, and the output LED is low. Now here I am using my thumb finger. It is verified by the sensor and the output LED goes high. Again I am trying some different finger. It shows on LCD that finger not found and the output LED is low. Now I am trying my thumb finger. It is verified by the sensor and the output LED goes high.